for you to come online and start to embarrass your generation. Huh? You embarrass your family. You embarrass your parents. You embarrass your children. When I was growing up, the boys in the community, they will be lying. They will say they slept with that girl. The girl will deny. The girl will deny vehemently. The girl will say, I've never seen this man before in my life. But this one, a woman came online and narrated her ordeal in the bedroom with another man. And she was an Edo girl, Edo woman with children. Edo woman with children. Is that not a matter of shame and disgrace? Is that not a woman who is mentally deficient? A woman who is mentally bankrupt? And our youth in Europe, some of them are mentally bankrupt. You only need to go and file for bankruptcy. Tell the European government that you are filing for mental, psychological bankruptcy. Tell them you are filing for bankruptcy because psychologically you are bankrupt. Emotionally you are bankrupt. You'll be bankrupt if you went through the Libya route. Nobody will go through the Libya route and not come back bankrupt. When you're supposed to rehabilitate yourself, when you're supposed to rehabilitate, make something good out of the journey. Imagine living from Benin all the way to Niger. From Niger Republic, you go to Agadez in Libya. From Agadez to go.
You be vagunu apa obobo. Bush lion you be vagunu. Bush lion. You come. One speak broken English as they speak am. You come. You come settle with me to Menwa to say we not mention your name again. You can't come out. You throw parable for me. You throw parable for me. You say, "Oh, that woman with the throw parable go they give so. That woman sit down here now. You define her now. That woman with the throw parable give now. Where you go church pinaka for a house. Where you forget your chain. Where you put for. Where you can't forget them. You can't run follow any cow. Any cow, you not tell you so many that any cow not be better woman. That a returning cannot be better woman. You don't follow plenty women with girls, my drive all the old women come up for husband house. You said that when they talk the go, get where I want for answer you.
God went through slavery. You were sold multiple times. You were incarcerated for no apparent reason, and then you get to Europe. All you can do with your life is to come on social media. Come on social media and be a nuisance and start insulting women who have never insulted you. Come on social media and start.
Bush lion, you see, you are very bush man. You are very bush lion. If you come off a side bush, you know the get sense. We not come on social media. We come on social media to come and disgrace all those women that is misbehaving. Let me make sure the name for you. Person like a Monica Ato Arian Booz, Ivie Dan, Suzuki, how do you see Biagiano go no misbehave in Facebook? Married the good one. Ni afi with the done here. We are not coming to come and insult the people that don't insult us. The character, the disgrace they bring to those is too much. Mostly the Monica Ato Arian Booz that you are supporting. That you are supporting with directly, with patronage. Well, they not say why you the support them because the fine woman give you. Let me to the support them. Nika onaje insult. Nika husband sponsor. Where the thief for that person husband, where the cause quarrel for another man house. Where the cause quarrel for you go see man and woman dey, you go cause quarrel. Now that one I be better woman where they insult. It be a no go. Ogo no do bacha wo. Ogo go. No go yo go re. ikpa agbo bushla wa o awota iteguwe igiwe guwe gwan e video no weto yi direct una idenue e slavery no kini na mo we safely we agades we Morocco water
describing how a woman's private part is. To come on social media and start saying
Buslayon akpa abobokin egwu ahun ma je ni gbe ege na wi ko na mo ki okpe aladan we do tayo wi am ki okpe aladan wi am ki okpe aladan Buslayon ogun ogbo Buslayon ogun ogbo e wa o wa we ni wo wa na gbe ni ra mu la webo wa po bolele we no gbin we no gine. You was having opportunity. Your father bring you to Europe for you to go school. You did not go school. You was clapping her for Igbe Aganogogo. You was clapping her for Igbe Aganogogo. Our father spent money for us to pass through Agadez and Morocco. Now we come and correct you, the foolish men that in Europe, the world men like Ameya Wefe, Ajekpako. I see that one video this morning, where the person where he say made the taste were kill for Benin at the movie the Hausa. He say made the taste were killing. He said the movie a bad person. Now I say and they call her that Dio in they celebrate with. I don't know what they celebrate. I don't know what they celebrate. Saying they celebrate with them. Me I never know what they celebrate. He didn't know.
the woman's private part is like this, is like that. I can't even say it on social media with my mouth.
Bush Lion, Ogun Ogbo, Bush Lion, Ogun Ogbo, Bush Lion, when Monica to Ari come out to describe a Peking, Kukumba, you not come and cut up photo. You not come and cut up photo. Who be the women where you protest so? Who be the women where you talk say that they cause so? The wayward women for community, the wayward women. No, they cry. Say we they insult the women because no na group that day GBC group. No, they cry. Say we they insult them because they insult the pain of our body. We not fit challenge us. We not fit follow us for it. Then they pay you now. I see the other one they talk yesterday. PLC patient. As they say, I used to pour a glass of wine. You know, resemble human being. It be like person, it be like skeleton. They go the cost, they don't need cost. The time when you go carry juju, you don't know say that the cost they know the cost. You know, just not they deceive yourself. Not just I mean not they deceive, not yourself not they deceive.
The woman's private part, I can't even say it. I don't have the courage, even the boldness in my face to be discussing a woman's private part. When I can be discussing how I can generate revenue, how I can make my bank account bigger, before become nuisance. Nuisance. Are they shameful now?
Now you may say password. You where your papa give money, make carry call Europe. You can't rule Europe, you buy us, you sell them because of the any cow. You go put your children for Red Cross. Oh, America citizen. You go to put your children where Yoruba woman born for you, see speaking, go to put them for Red Cross. Now you me the shame for. Now you me the shame for if you know the shame. If you not say tell you truth, I will tell you truth. Any car where you go put for us now, where you say na your wife, where you say na the woman where they cost. Any car, what do you do? Not be aganogo, not be promochimo Roma for the woyogore. Now that time I be woman. Your papa will boy if you dey alive, fasten. He go tell you say be agana gumobo. Do my own way. Mostly be aganogo returning, return. Erita, any cow. Ah, wait on poto wait on gi. Po wait on gi. Onu. Ah, we agare ritagi ma o wait talk to eku a wait talk no wait kebebe gi bai. Islam majesty go gbe ta bakara ogbe bonisan. Abuma bi ta majesty susuwe. O we rita gba ta bakara. Erita gbe te bakara. Abuma bi sa majesty we. Ah, what beg you are. Una be tie me na we send no bo kan agun ya tie yi. E jegbe wona salaja na wundo we claim it too smart. Who way to claim it too smart now? Who way to claim it too smart now? My way illiterate no my years go we claim of even one. Bush Lion. A video when I tell am bok by. But a video we una 10 video here who you 10 video here who you 10 video na what be you are. Umansi agbon. E we bo aye na. America you ye for that. Unwe ne pio ni. Umagwa you ya we surgery yo e. We ni je mure. Ije ya muko ere no ma era. Eri enwere weri oji. Ijo ma kama egbe no ke mu were. Wa ye gun wa da make noise wa da run mati we tuje ugu azebu ura America. Igo ni we ya we kebe ni we ya pompi kebe. Kebe wana wa tie return cow no bi Yoruba owo bi edonye gihin oya mu ni cow gbo. Ni cow giga no ya gwalikugo we de ni award of orphanage. When no see who am one no say wa na mo na gbo. Emma wa mo na gbo Emma or mo na gbo Emma because who does no bokute dem de negbo o we se negbo kan on we bebe ye wayaji ne ko enwan ro ona lift up wa ya ni kai imitation wa ye imitation wa said me topic. Do what I mean not tell what I will begin to tell you people the truth. I will begin to tell you people the truth. A return of Yoruba. When all that no my body no don't live. They don't Yoruba no. Don't Yoruba no don't money cow. No ya can be to go. Or don't like I will tell you. So Bush Lion go him. My
good children are
what bet you are we send up your mommy me no me agia saying where it was like you do we agia saying na you no agia saying where wow water ikpa agbo Bush Lion uyi agun ogwe oku awo pa ewo mo ko ni lajan oku ni we yi tan review we gbe na wa fi litage o ve da bi to gu egbon ban iyan wo be sun wa slasher erita ko da fun efo a erita makama ohun dan ira ke we marriage yan erita makama ohun dan ira ke we marriage yan we erita zage marriage yan order for etie police na tie erita when erita ila yan wa wo ohun dan no I make an erita la no ma ama hama we yage video no we gani yage video no wa mi ewo o tale ya you we yage video no we gani o tale ya you we abine ugwegwa ama no erita ni owo your children ave Monica Atuwari ave PLC doctor patients ave baberie oh children we every menaji 6 more than 4 years or 3 years ekele luwawo so thank God umenwana do bege no kele biare no de no legades no legadis no legradis ona legradis ona lagades ona do re ona do kam wawe unyi me dawani e wa ya na so na nia e wa ya na so iya te boni hu iya te di hu na te bonana di hu na te bona di hu na te bona wa da ati hu na te bona wa so eniya Monica Atuwari ambus ivie dan yo mo bugbe no ku dore Suzuki no ku senri iya un dan re social media iya no zago wa egene afio coffee already we agogo yin ai iya we le you we class iya we busla we are we class we are or we class iya na ama iya na amu ko ro wodoria iya na amu ko ro wodoria e busla iya are we class va e ka mi awe kin wadona ma iku ya na 2016 2017 iku ya na pa wonderful e no bugi gbe ma de na egani ame eritana ona ale la meze kian ona zawa meze yen mo do ma we okune mo do o le lokunu mo do kian e to zawa yi ona zawa ni yen na de bush lion ona de yakara ge bush lion de na ni ona ruwe class yen na ma ya afioko e bush lion na akpobo yen ona amu moge ivie na amu we dai ivie roba na amu we dai yen na ona review igogu we na gbe ya o Orivie dan ori gbeyawo ne gogi uwe orivie igogo igbeyawo ne omari na o waga gi pe aya ni Monica Viole ni gbe ni opano ga titi ora owo platform ora la line 500 600 de aro Monica unyonu wa ni han tori gbo iwa agie toni igbo ya agie busa na na gwa be you gwa bi you when only Morocco he married the correct way we down when le Monica for more than 6 years in Isiawe e Monica na amuku no rogo doria una arewe class afioko na akpobo yo diko na chebonana diko no wa chebona nwa na ladian ino pano iya no reje mi ga ladian ateboniku awe doctor pilation diko na chebona abi ko dan wa vio wa no ma se diko wa guano abi ko dan wa vio wa ma se diko guano whether
social media, you guys are still making me proud. Oh, my good children, you all know yourself. You are making me proud. God is fighting your battles for you. But the bad children, they will never change. They are unrepentant, wayward elements.
Well, no me Ubania. O my way evoking. You call that masses call me or we push lion. Na said to matana. Ni why we na okirapoke. Na we umenwa yilan, menwa nare. Ma menwa ire ma ogimwe yilan mare. That masses hila ine. Ogila ila ni ne push lion madoti. Umenwa na we I should forget everything. A day igbe wo push lion the video. Ona da afitan, ona da afi direct. A degi maje school. Iye kene ugwera nela ni na la gbo wan re busa okeregbe di me maje school everywhere na mu we aja American we da you school American we do you school we zu awo you are one of the wasted Nigeria in America. Nigeria no waste in America okay ugi when yan are we cross iwena wenera mula we boera take off we ira na wo ona wo emile sokuze bude ira na wo mo agbon ira na mu we aje wo to be a good son but the na mo we bia we na avia pe red cross bush lion okwe sis o mesis how you babion we veneru we na sete mu we la we bori we na take off we but if you when a bush lion red cross you are not ashamed of yourself why dey social media them no then we tamagbon agbon. Then we were at Tamagbonamo. What bed you are. What bed you are. Oh, now you call so Zole, okay. Okay, it didn't. My boy.
The bad ones remain unrepentant. As I did talk rich on social media.
But the bad one were mine, Monica Atuari. The bad one were mine. If you done, or you're more bugwe motia. I the bad one, Wama Suzuki. Iye boy, no running mate bad. Nunda yam a secret on ye. Yam a secret on only night. On I quack with Bibayan. On I quack with Bibayan. On I quack with Bibayan. in when anomu yoto ya do distract e ya mage winning when anomu yoto ile do ya mage we ya mage we you na distract obiere na de you were there iye give me contract me na na o we me contract me na iye boy iye me contract o do to ta gba o so ahun avec wia bush lion ni kwemu mugbe aga no gogo no ka you were ne e owoku gwe ni sis wewe that the cost we me owoku gwe ni me here that cost me rita ni ka no wi oba ona do kie eni ka wa so ya do li wi do fio o ta do li wi do fio wege o ma gba ni we ado mo fanejo mere ni oruwe vidina no pe owo akio fanejo na jebo kakie no ka do le single mother go vio no ya do li single mother vio na gbe yin wo na we abi do wo we egba enu e wa na mi no denu sage wu ya fefefe wa ya wo emi no denu sage wu wa ya wo ekwemu wa vena ya ire olugan idenu wa ya do mo wa
Wafyun wa we here change your behavior. But illiteracy are
you are the one to change your behavior. If you are not ashamed of yourself, eruwe mu we ajewobo emani ma be we yan bi we ni han wetin you we mu ekoko abukpore because unwe okua ni je we no weye okua ni me bege na picture unwe je we ki we na mu we mu re manage water igon we mu ni rita eni cow enita ni ko igon we mu na no ya pompi kebe oge afian we awe surgery you we afian for no bege si no amesi well la social media uda agi directive di wa evil group GBC ni waya yeni akan agba waya itani time ogun wa ke na ka wuti ebo no ku ya si ya hwe uwa ya kan agba wa me mate ya mege nu wa ba mi aso an de gbe tu me de gbe ba mi ade gbe yiran yo abi ku no condemn no bie no mamugerian abi ku no bie no mamugerian yen bi agun webu na ke mi owo ko bi o mamugera but on a venenia momogera mamogera bege set yan condemn Suzuki no ro obie makoko si Africa ero money oya stranger ye cross wodoni ovi ye be bienia o ma set the ticket no hian iku agbon ni no bunya gbe gold no bunya gbe betu slippers gold iku agbon ni na nugbe ka wa be tie bona egene Suzuki na la jana do robiera robije we olegan yin umare wa oku wa o egene monica to ari na la dian no na do robiera robije no na we ihe momo kupori umare wa egene vie dana la dian umare wa ya tie boni ku diku na tie bonana ijuwe me wa ijuwe give uwami uye bush lion uwe ye popo re iye kago yogure wa ma na keno na mo bush lion re wa ma na bush lion ki ma na ju keno na me we mu re bege nu ya we bush gile ki o awo wa bush lion awo wa kenetike ina isweni esi ni isweni na gbo me kena on ka kenetike ka the most stupid man here in North America the most stupid man not stupid is here in Nigeria ademe ni trade na me na respect na set correct way ademe na America maybe knowledge me aga America me ya river for maybe 5 years 6 years ya ma we mi since we ma na egbe mi since we zuwa since we zuwa wa gwa le kono kodo yekian kono kude yekian wa lele kian gagun wa ya fefe ni oti mapa oga hausi ve petu gina oga hausi ori wa mi ko de yen ga pie wa tie mi ni o yen wa pie doline na we YouTube yen ga pie doline 50 euro 20 euro ina pie doline oti ma eje na riwo ori gbo kekan Inya totanya na de chini yo we na de ginera. Monica na de chini yo we na de ginera. Ba agmuwania. Ba agmuwa. Awe mono ma negbe. Nikpe hen.
Poverty combined have made you all to become public lunatics.
Wabira. We are correcting you people to change away from the evil way you people are. Not lunatic. Not lunatic. I'm not hungry. You say me. Don't say poverty. Oh, no, say to me, you know, say to me, say to pay go okay, agbari ayeko edukmo yegbe. Poverty okpopowani. I'm just saying you tell you the truth to change. We change the GBC wa evil group wa down wa who worry I will. Na kele luwa. Na kele luwa kon. Ban wa so an we gbe menwa edo deba ne menwa gire ne ban wa da feel we gbe wa na so now. So me la wa ya gbe. Ikbi anoro you say here chebo ni ko because wa adu meeting we kin wa na do meeting here go abi pe gbe na no joja ni mana wa ma set gun yan gun wa ka mi yan ya fi nyu me gwere ye wa ka mi Monica to ari gun nyu me no gbe won dano ogi asen dano wa ka mi yan gun nyu me ni yan oji ma gun yan gun we ni yan ma fi gwere ye eri ma ke ma yan yin yan ma ebike ya o eri ma yan yin yan ma ebike ya o. We get to settle ne we do settle ne o una gaji direct filitangi ma umenwa una gaji direct filitangi ma fine e moroko malala webo agada si malala webo but unyeme na wi ko na ga anyi be petuwe 2016 2017 2018 iko yana for wodo e ba wi ko ni de egbegwa lopo e ba yan de egbe e susu last week platform ye boy ona ta owuyan no ye live a fake life man no ye giyan iyan we fake life no guy yan wa wa ne awuyan ga gbonu because although you start fear for a platform ye boy we e fake life ni ya ka man yan ozago wuyan fo no ke no je gbe ye ga enian the rest people no de gbe ye fake life na nian owuyan ga zaga fo ni awuyan agbanu wa e translated video ni de gbe ma wa e platform ye boy na we e ma oni to analyze video ni ma gbon e de gbe ade to analyze why do beg egbe indirect susu ya gun ojo we de no yi direct gwa me ya we fi gun we o no wa fun jo we no ya winner we na ke ge single mother
A public lunatic. Huh?
we agree we are public lunatic we agree we are talkative. We agree we are noisemaker. We not too what Bako. We agree we are noisemaker. But if we are going to beg away, you people are evil. What by evil work? If you are going to beg away, if you are going to beg away, if you are going to beg away, there again, no. When you do a video, ni, why you very well. Where's one little come? But why we say it possible again? When we want people are watching you people. So no wagi zenyana they curse women they describe women private part what's the na gie egbe agian e mono ma nwa ne de yan yin ma kokoni avio aje webo yan da agoro avigbe agian ogogo abiyan no munoma yan no munoma no sioma ogi yan ya kian I make ni I to la ga agbayan ya na ni disgrace I wait grace ile ni ya kian I wait take disgrace anyway e pobole la avigbe agian ogogo Ba mi ni am ekpeti winari. Abi gbe agana ja mi be misbehaving. Abogogo na ti am misbehave. Abogogo na ya misbehave. Wa ye popole niyan. Den wa popole niyan ba no dey a bag of rice. E December gelebere ne no wonder we na do po we. Wo ak your furniture. December gelere ne wa afi for one. Single mother no gari go niyan. Ogun ba gbo e. Umami mi go bi gira bi jo wa no ari rai. Wakulo da fun wa fane wa e December we re na bushland we do you aju no di ania we are making have we go in government have dey no wa kere we are making have zone yan Iyan yobo, iyan winner. Who imagine Bush Lion of America citizen? Nira mbure we gbo kan. E make area down eri yeki. If okay liability is street. Ugu moto na total wetin eri si winner. O total moto wetin eri winner. O da make ma pa. Wagaje vene eruwe mo donusa vene ero donusa gi mo donusa giri. Vene ero donusa gi mo donusa giri eruwe mo weri. But donusa gi me we for those states. Even the area city wana mo egbo ona yari dem yo panu we set achieve those states. Because Monica de we ona de we ginaga una gizuwa. E Monica de we ginaga una gizuwa. Ya moko okuo no dabane no tabachi ne no go yogoro na vitali ogo yegoro no ga arugwodo erita no ga arugwodo na ale lokpia owegwe ma on uwe ma erita gbono do tawo oge no o agbon ya gbe o wa ri ma ya gbe keke gbe beri me ma je school eri o we ru wa gbe wa zaga wa water Bush Lion when I we need a settlement as settlement una ya ali ke ya fi bomb before a bomb no fi fa back.
So brothers and sisters, I want you all to key in. If you are watching, if it's your first time watching me on this broadcast, please go right ahead and like, love, share, follow the page. Please put love and like.
If you don't need my brothers and my sisters around the globe, I beg. Now this one I be best of new generation. Make una pleasure like your team. Make una follow the page. I say get them for new generation talk show another page. Make una follow the page. I see get them for waiting that they call YouTube. When me they call Tubu from my papa side Tubu. I see get them for Egbeno Bige Ewo Tubu. I beg. Now Prophet Atiti top show. Now I take it for YouTube. Make una follow and make una subscribe. Put. And for next year now, una go to see and another thing we will start to do again. We will leave all those people since una don't know them as evil. So if una pikin they go closer to where they dey, una go tell una pikin say this family where they go. So na bad family as we dey see for us before. You know say for area where we dey for us, if our pikin they go this kind of family, we tell us say na bad family. So we don't describe am to the world. The Baba people for the community like that one we carry come and Moses that day Moses Central una doesn't know that one. Monica Atuari, Pictolex una don't know of them. Get one video yesterday where the TikTok say one woman if they take piece they cook for people. Say make people not cook the food, make people not chop the food again. All of them. I'll come group and I'll come list and come at I'll call write the name. I'll come take and do long video for this end of this year. Make una know the type of people I go put their picture. We don't know the people will be evil for the community. But not be say we go leave them. If anytime we will see their mistake for ground, we'll see come and consider and say, okay, the way that they go so not good. But one go quick reply Bush Lion. Now call reply about these 10 people now. See how the Mona they watch anytime when he do video. He throw parable. Mona you send the video for me. If you don't know watch, Mona send that for me. I know where be parable, I know where not be parable.
For God, Father, put love and like, love and like, love and like, love and like. You know I love and like. Put love, like, love, like.
Yeah.
I like positive.
The America man, the was stupid man. At new generation prophecy, go the beg, make people press. I like your thing. New generation prophecy go they beg. We not sabi speak English. Now only I do with broken English. You go they beg. Me they pull like. You go see the beg. If you are really educated, only your city die alone. Only your vibration alone. Not be you go they tell people when they put you are the wasted the money where your property carry you at America. It is still me take and carry at America. For the years where you don't spend, maybe I forgot be governor for Edo State. I forgot change the country. With what person?
I will never come on this platform and use my mouth and spoil anybody. Never. I've grown past that. Oh, when Wawala.
Go to Ameze, go to your platform, go and watch your video you do against Ameze. Go to the video you do against Ogbaeka. You never come on platform to use man to spoil anybody on platform. You see you are a coward. Do you see you are lunatic? You see you are not educated? If they pay me for you sometimes, if they pay me for you sometimes, it is saying that me papa carry the enter America, as they carry you enter America. Not be this kind of words would they come out for your mouth. Not be this all those kind of useless words where you don't know how to talk. So you got the bamu way we know what doing now. Because they tell me now ije gele bienera we hin kenetike. They money ije gele bienera we hin kenetike. To start un winning we are going operation yo because umakije work house ya we so doing when ya we so the kebe. Everywhere mu well America, you become a wayward son. Your father take off you, but he did not take off your son. Bamu onisoko, bamu onisanokwa, masede gbaoge mo. Una ya you go drop your children for Red Cross, Connecticut. You are not ashamed. You will come and sit down in the car, be talking to, throw it direct to Atitiano Menwa. Work by, what bed you are. Ma uweno uzana. Sisi we, uwoto asi nika owela jan. Nika novi yoba. No go azedo. Ona duka we nika oas. Ni aya afi we dogo. Uwo asi owela jan. Sisi we asi owela jan. Nobody should call me again. We had to go and make bush lion now. Because 3 times he didn't 3 times in it banning. And you misuse the 3 times. When we misuse any, I will tell you are a coward. I will tell you are a propaganda. I will tell you are bobotes. Wow. Me na bia no seti le lime sample wa. E ma bega no le lime sample. Dey when I want. Do when I do into you no na guogo for 1 month. Into you no na guogo okunyo na gbon. Arot you are cemetery. Dey gbe no mo bush lion. Ipa gbo e. O wa wo gbe o wa wota. Umai bush lion. Ulo can I do already? Baby avant show you out. Baby I saw show you out. It man agbo avant gbo so. Done. Warrior wo to dele yi. Warrior wo to dele wo. My brother when I see you there, you know where baba off work be. Kemi na yan gbo man we ta. O pe atun awo ko atun awe. O pe an we ya we se no ko an we ya we se no temo menwa. You know where no ku we kian. Ese ti gbo ta o pe ari no riri ni we yogo bo ko ri no riri ni we yogo bo nu de matanuta o we ni egbu e ba yan matanuta o ga ko bo odo bode okun ni awe no lo ni o ri for body ememegi la egbe o ga o wa la okun ni gie ona bege ni ona be okun ni ne confusion ri la egbe ri emi ya o confusion are dagbo o pe ni oro dagbo ko ni bi o agbon ma we ni oh ma o to ma egbe we ya fe o fu wa ya gbere eze yin na aye zian bo be ku because egbe yin yan na egbe na yin yan ni yan you so that they curse women who be the women who would the curse my brother who be the women who would the curse now all those coward iyeki with the gang. So my brothers and my sisters, waya tough wayagbe. So time has gone. So we sit back later. Waya kere oko boss lion. Idegbe bu we de wota no ana wo we wo wota. Ni pe time yero.
Godfather, Rita, this Agbawane, they know what?
I'm a godfather no we na. I'm a godfather no we ni Iviedan. No we condemn with society. A Monica no condemn with society. Only Godfather no we not have Godfather with him. My bad Godfather go no war with him. A Godfather no condemn with him. I will Godfather be agia. I will Godfather be agia. I will Godfather. The Godfather no him. If you damn we Godfather no. Wa we tino pa. Suzuki. Musia to Italy. Italy to Belgium. Be a gano go no egi. Yano muno ma yano si oma. No yogi here. Only we wait any only godfather no when I take we godfather. Give we am we you know gia senwe. Man nek be bush lion. Who can't be what one more. Who can't be what one more. Ha your damn egben we. Oh damn egben we. Everywhere. Waga video now. Let video go viral. Wa viral video now me. No kwame no kwame. Wa viral video now. Wa appear the negotiation bet. Imagine saying, oh, pan. Wa appear no pan. I like your team. Wa so boy, I like your team, man. Appear red now. Monica to the word to red now. Okay, yeah. Tell we you know. Wa ya loriari. How done. Wa appear like your team. Oh, for ya gbe. Allah da go. When ya mi wan, if you dey go le matter, ya mi no te matter. Iyan ya ki wan dan. When ya ke oni aye umenwa ki wan dan. When ya ke oni aye umenwa ki wan dan. Ama we metobi me. Ya mi o ni ama mu ba me. Ya we do ewe mu. Ina we ko ye we o je we kan me ko yo. But wa pa de mi dan re. Iyan ibere ya we bon kun we Morocco. Iyan we ki anwin na. Ami mi pa ni amu o go pa ni ama mu ba me. Babe matani tamiya Ajeba orphanage home. It's a fake orphanage home. Ojino. Nick Bergen.
How do America today? Wait you now want talk one I never felt talk before. There's nothing I want to talk.
Nothing we never felt talk we never talk before. The one we can't talk now. Maybe my brother when I can't talk you now he go catch fire. He never talk. Maybe he can't talk you me because they had my original. You see that your mama will if I go baby want go mortuary before me not can go by this time. You never had yourself now. You can't need settlement. We grieve for you, so okay, we not talk to you again. Now you go follow our back after 3 days, go do video. Me, you talk say you clever. You know say, even though me I not go school, they must bring video for me, I must look on. CID, we get CID for us are plenty. We get CID with the Baba on plenty. Both for Nigeria, they go send a call for us, say, hey, we'll come talk to you. You know, you are not clever enough. You are not clever enough to talk to me. You are not clever enough. In any trick you play, I know. Wow, Zaga, we are.
Nothing. Nothing when I want to talk.
Share the video, let the video viral.
I will remain.
Nothing when we want to talk. Fine, talk finish. Mona listening here. Mona listening.
I know my mission on social media, on the cyberspace. My mission is to come once in a while and I will address you people when you are getting out of line. And also to...
He say no mission for cyberspace, social media. Because in mission when it come for, they open a Nikao ministry, Rita. They no fit can get person. So in don't come with another mission now. We no go agree for now.
Help the needy among us. That's my focus for now. That's just it. So I love you all. Please love and like, share the video. God bless you. I'll be back again sometime on the weekend. I'm going to elaborate more on Abundant Life Charity Organization. My face is a little bit disorganized right now. I drove all the way.
Mona listen for you. Mona listen. Bushla are do swara. Bushla one cause thief.
From Pennsylvania to Minnesota. They shipped this car that I'm driving. Okay, my wife shipped it to me in Pennsylvania because I was in Pennsylvania for some time. And I thought I was going to stay a little bit longer, but I didn't stay so long. So I didn't want to pay money to ship it back. So I drove it back yesterday. And I'm a little bit, I got back this morning. I've not even done some things yet. So, you know, I love you all. I love you all. Even the bad ones, the good ones, I love you all. You are all my children. You know I love you all. You are all my children. But I must come and tell you the truth. I must tell you the truth. You know? I don't worry.
Bush lion. Bush lion. Yeah, so why do you not care my way? Yeah, so why will my attend my yeta? Yeah, so why do you not care for your way? Since me I tell you way, na gwen ukwe mi kina gba we ukwe gba we. Ukwe kin gba we na gba Suzuki, we na gba Ogogo. We na gba Ogogo. E ya kan bi gba we na ni. Ya gba we na ni. Since we mwegbe na ya gba we bi ma ita ni mama ye kata agun we mi ya gba we ni. Ya so wa be no jo wa ke media.
That's exactly what's going on right now. These nuisance on social media, they say they are.
Wapian like your thing. Wapian like your thing. Make una press I like your thing.
They are fighting or they are repairing the kingdom, but they are constituting nuisance. They are constituting nuisance. A school wamayo, imuna wamawe, a social media.
A school mamajo imuna mamawe. Iwa we mwena we do. I learn work for inside Benin. To work now I learn. People with they do jita, not be people with the plan. People with they do jita, with they do speaker. I learn from a acme, from left hand. And from there go let trailer driver. Yeah, not be my papa land. I not go school. I don't tell man and woman say I not go school. You where your papa carry come America, the school where you go, you take and wayward. What now you dey na. After years in America, now you process say you want to open orphanage home. Say you want to do orphanage home now. Because you see Donosage to open orphanage home. By senior, maybe you senior Donosage, a papa give and wisdom. He open orphanage home and want to take off the people. You know say poverty there for that country. He open her. Because of una jealousy, una find means when I want to bring that guy down. Because of una jealousy. But now, the orphanage owner, they thought say no good that time. You say you want to open now. Bush lion. Abi? You know say you be coward. You know say you be lunatic with no get sense. You go to call yourself a man now. We my time mama kaita. You are zingbe keme. Ni mama time mama katani. Yes, we na ya do typhoon. Now gwa beg you are. So ladies and gentlemen, bye bye. Later we'll see you. Thank you.